hide it, can we say if it's real or just a show? In a world where masks can go, we try to fit but feel torn. Yet true signs can help us learn. Do they lift those who can't give back? Stay true when things go off track. To see their heart, just observe how they treat others, truth they serve. It's more than words, more than smiles. Truth emerges after a while. Kindness and promises hold the key to know who they claim to be. Look beyond the mask they wear, find the love they choose to share. How do they treat those with less? With kindness or just dismiss? Small things reveal who they are, a thank you close or distance far. When the world offers nothing, do they shine or just cling? Do they keep their word through thick and thin? Stand firm when life wears them in. To see their soul, watch their honor, how they uphold what they offer. It's more than words, more than smiles. Truth emerges after a while. Kindness and promises hold the key to know who they claim to be. In small moments that seem slight, respect shown to all is right. Promises kept, no lies to hide. In highs and lows, truth won't subside. It's more than words, more than smiles. Truth emerges after a while. Kindness and promises hold the key to know who they claim to be. Look for the signs that are around. Real hearts always can be found.